To be honest, I'm actually not feeling really good and peppy. I'm actually feeling down and I don't want to be doing this right now. I kind of just want to mope around. In the spirit of sticking to your goals and not giving into instant gratification and doing things for your future self, let's do this together. We're gonna be designing a t-shirt from start to finish, paper sketch, vectorizing, mocking it up on a tee. Let's go on with the video. Point of this stage is not to be a perfectionist, and you just want to get as many layout ideas as you can. And this way you can be more creative too when you're not trying to make it look good. And now I'm going back and refining each one so I can decide with better clarity which one's my favorite. And my favorite ended up being the lower left corner. So we're gonna move forward with this sketch. Now all we do is go in and trace, which is so easy. Is it easy? I don't know. I'm gonna copy eyes that I've already drawn because why do something twice? Okay, teach me, sir.
Tool, which you can find here or by pressing L on the keyboard. Make a shape, and then go to your direct selection tool by pressing A and leave this point. So now we have half a circle. You're going to go to Effect, 3D, Revolve, and it will get you this crazy weird shape.
Effect 3D Revolve, and it gets me this crazy shape.
And so what you want to do is you go to Surface, Wireframe, and it's kind of hard to see right now because it's black.
Hold up, dude. Oh, here we go. The old version. Okay, so wireframe. Okay, sir, what's next?
Black. But yeah, you can still kind of have the same shape. Let's just do diffuse shading again so we see what's going on.
What?
And you want to click from left edge and you want to go to the right edge, which makes it revolve around itself. So what's happening is you have this half circle that's revolving around this axis. And if you click on wireframe and click OK, it's kind of.
So as always, copy it over so you don't lose that info. Object expand. I think first I should just color the strokes that I'm keeping. Like super thick. Go big or go home, baby. Dude, what? Wait, this I do need to clean up. So this is where we'll use divide. Only issue with this one is that, oh, maybe I can just, okay. Am I feeling rounded or square edges? You tell me. I think rounded. Type options here. Is there a letter that repeats a lot? 3 eyes, 3 O's. So let's go with the O. What if we made the O's different? Oh! Kind of like that. Should I try the other O? The wiggly woggly one? Ooh, I think I like this better, dude. It's more chill and low key, but it's like, ooh, what's going on there? That. I used to really spread out words because I thought it looked classy. But now I'm like, closer the better, dude. Oh, this O worked out so well. I didn't think it would. Okay, now for the bottom. Now, the ultimate test you have to do when you finish something. Let's look it upside down. Oh, that's current too tight. Sometimes having issues in your design, like how the stars were colliding with the text, is actually a blessing in disguise. I have an idea to make a cool space background, whereas before I didn't even have that idea. It is a metaphor for life because you can think that going through a breakup or your career not turning out the way you want or getting in a fight with someone, you can feel like your world's ending and why can't I have it my way? When you look back, you realize, oh, it was opening new doors, or the universe was looking out for me because it wasn't right for me. There's something about this that's just not working, and maybe it's because it should look like this. Yeah, they're very, very sharp, aren't they? So I can eradicate that issue by adding a very thin stroke. Now just to decide the sizes. The star should look the same. Do the other side. Okay, let's double check that. I swear I did it perfectly though. But yeah, this is another good tip I have for you guys when you want to make things the same distance. Just use a shape, man. Pixel perfect. One of my favorite things about using Adobe products is the ability to copy and paste as smart objects. I want it to match the white in the globe. So we're gonna raise the level up. So it's about the same. We are done. We are done. Hell yeah, dude.